Good morning, students. Today we are going to read English Grammar, Class 4th, Lesson 14, Prepositions. These words like under, about, to, for, through, along, beside, across, at, in, into, after, all these words we use in the preposition. So let's start the chapter with the definition of preposition. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. Means prepositions show a noun or pronoun in relation to place, time, movement, position, agency, manner, and so on. Let's see the use of the preposition, how to use in the sentences. To show or to indicate the places, we use the prepositions at, in, on. At we use when we think of a place as a point. Example, at college, at home, at reception, at school, at the bottom, at the cinema. We use in when we think of a place as an area. Example, in a taxi or a car, in the sky, in the building or tower, in a row, in the newspaper, in the garden. And last, we use on when we think of a place as a surface. Example, on the way, on the radio, on the page, on a bicycle, on a ship, on a horse. Next is when to indicate time. We use preposition on, in, at. We use on for days and dates. Example, on Tuesday, on Saturday, on 5th April, on 12 March 2019, on Sunday morning, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on New Year's Eve, on Independence Day. We use in for longer periods. In 2010, in 18th century, in the 1960s, in the next century, in the Ice Age, in February, in the Middle Ages, in the summer, in the past. And we use at for the time of a day. At sunset, at sunrise, at bedtime, at noon, at dinner time, at midnight, at 11:30 p.m., at 12 o'clock, at lunchtime. Let's see the next one. Use of into. Into is used when something or someone is going or being put into another location. Example, she walked into the room. The boy puts the toy into the box. Use of in. In is used to describe where someone or something already is. Example, she is in the room. The toy is in the box. For position, to show the position, we use some prepositions. Above. The red ball is above the blue box. In this picture, you can see that the word above tells us the position of a red ball. That is the red ball is above the blue box. Among. The red ball is among the blue boxes. Behind, below. The red ball is behind the blue box. The red ball is below the blue box. Beside, between. The red ball is beside the blue box. The red ball is between the two boxes. In front of, inside. The red ball is in front of the blue box. The red ball is inside the blue box. Near, near to. The red ball is near the blue box. The red ball is next to the blue box. Outside, under. The red ball is outside the blue box. The red ball is under the blue box. Over. The red ball is over the blue box. It means to show the position We use the prepositions like inside, out of, outside, above, below, over, next to, under, between, among, behind, beside, in front of. I hope students you might understood this chapter. If you have any problem, you can ask to me when I will take the online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.